Safetec of America's new SaniZide Pro 1 surface disinfectant combines cleaning and disinfecting in one simple step. Its ready-to-use alcohol-based formula is designed to help keep your facility clean and compliant. SaniZide Pro 1's industry-leading formula kills 48 microorganisms including MRSA, tuberculosis, and norovirus in just 1 minute. It's the most effective product for eliminating cross-contamination and maintaining employee health. Pro 1's fragrance-free formula is safe for use on all hard, non-porous surfaces such as tabletops, seats, hard hats, and athletic equipment, making it as versatile as it is effective. 1-minute kill claims ensure that whatever cleanup you have to get done will be completed as quickly and efficiently as possible. Just spray or wipe the surface with SaniZide Pro 1 so that it remains wet for 1 minute. It's that simple, and there's no residue left behind. Available in individually packaged wipes, 32-ounce spray bottles, and 150-count canisters, Pro 1 is ideal for use in hospitals, medical offices, ambulances, nursing homes, laboratories, pharmacies, veterinary offices, restaurants, athletic facilities, and more. Interested in bringing SaniZide Pro 1 to your customers? Contact Safetec of America to become a distributor and learn more about our flagship products.